So I like this little fan. I got pictures of everything going forward, but I wanted you guys to hear how quiet it was. And one other interesting tip is that the charging cable that comes with it is actually the same as if you have a MacBook Pro. So if need be, I'm assuming you can charge it up with that. I don't know if they would recommend that, but it can be done. This is right out of the box, and as you can tell, it's still red, so it's not even fully charged. It's still charging. The other plug that's back here, you can actually, right out of the box, as long as it's connected, you can plug another device up to it and say charge your phone, or maybe even another light. So I thought that was cool. I was worried that this wouldn't turn, because before I had attached it, it was hard to make that angle move. But as you see, now that it's attached, it moved with a little bit more force. Getting this piece here connected took a little bit of effort. Maybe it's just me. When I put it in the first 2 times, it was as if it wasn't catching. But I believe there's a groove down in there that you kind of have to sit it into the pocket and then turn it. Not like it has to catch anything, like a latch or anything, but I don't think I had pushed it up far enough before I tried to turn it. But anyway, it's pretty sturdy, very good air because it's hot right now, and pretty quiet. This is the loudest setting. So anyway, all right, thank you guys. Have a good day.